Oh, what a nice situation to be in. That situation you are currently navigating. Now, would you like to get to your dream from that situation? Okay, let's do that together. I have some steps for you. Step number 1. Know your dream end result. So you're now in a situation and there is a dream end result which you desire to experience and see manifest. So get clear on that. Get clear on what is the end dream result, that dream situation you desire to be in. So have a clear vision of the end result. As when you have that. Now life knows that that is your dream. And life will start to organize everything so that dream end result actually becomes your reality. Life will take care of that when you have that vision. Step number 2. Now, as you are still in your current situation, there are these micro moments as you live your current life, as you live in that situation. There are these moments when you can tune into these micro dreams. You know, tune into the version of yourself who already lives in your dream reality, who lives that dream scenario, that dream end result already. Tune into that version of yourself. And as you are living your current life and have these micro moments, tune into, if I am now the version of myself who is already living my dream, what is my micro dream end result? Let's say you have to do something, or you get this intuitive nudge to do something. Then, in front of that, there is this dream. There is a micro end result you desire to see manifest when you do that something. So as the version of yourself who already lives your dream reality, tune into this micro dream. See things play out in a dreamlike way. In these micro moments. As in the situation you are in, you receive guidance on what to do. You'll get these intuitive hints on what to do and regarding these things that you do. There are these dream scenarios that you can tap into, that you desire to play out. So you can do this in any moment, in front of anything that you do in this current situation. Tune into these micro dreams and the end results while you are still in the situation, while life is still organizing everything so that your dream becomes your reality. Okay. This is, darling, everything. This way, you will get from your current situation to your dream situation, the dream end result, smoothly, in a dreamlike way. Consciously, in every moment, in front of any doing. You can tune into the micro dream results. Consciously, in every moment, manifesting your dream scenarios. While life is delivering your dream to you and organizing everything so that your dream is here and now. Your dream situation. As it will be here and now. Okay. Any thoughts on this, darling? Any thoughts that you would love to share with my soul? Feel free to comment down below.